me again. I'm your host, Alpha. Nowadays, artificial intelligence or AI has become a huge part of student daily. Many university students use AI for assessment, research, writing papers, and even preparing for exams. However, there rises an important question: should AI be limited in academic activities? Some people believe that AI can improve learning and productivity, while others worry that it may encourage academic dishonesty and reduce student critical thinking skills. To discuss this topic, I'm joining by my friends. Arisha. Hi Arisha. Thank you for joining today.
Hi, Alpha. Thank you for inviting me. I'm really happy to be here because AI in education is definitely an important issue to discuss.
Okay, let's begin with a general question. Are you ready?
Right.
In your opinion, should AI be permitted in academic activities?
I think AI should be academic activities, but it is to be guided by ethical rules and academic policies. According to research published in Computer and Education Application AI can improve students' learning experience by providing personalized support, immediate feedback, and opportunity for independent learning. In addition, a review conducted by Zulami, Winkler, and colleagues in the International Journal of Educational Technology in Higher Education found that AI has significant potential to enhance higher education through intelligent tutoring system and personalized learning environment. Therefore, based on these studies, AI can positively support engagement and specific skills.
Oh, that's a really interesting opinion. And could you explain some specific advantages of AI on campus?
Of course, one major advantage is increased productivity. AI can help students summarize long readings, organize information, explain difficult concepts, and generate study material. Research by Translating and Hall in 2023 states that generative AI system function as learning assistant by providing explanation and academic support outside as a classhouse. Another advantage is personalized learning. Every student learns differently and AI system can adapt learning materials according to individual needs and learning speeds. AI also provides accessibility for students with disabilities. AI technologies such as speech-to-text system, automatic caption, and translation tools can make learning more inclusive. Several educational studies suggest that AI has the potential to reduce learning barriers and support equal educational opportunities.
I also agree with that opinion, but because many students use AI because it's available anytime, right? But there's a hidden connection. Some lecturers argue that students are become to dependent on AI. What do you think about that?
I think the concept is understandable. Although AI over-dependence on AI can be serious possibility. First, there is the issue of academic integrity. Research by Cotton and Shipley published in Innovation in Education and Teaching International highlight concern that students may misuse AI to complete assignment without truly understanding the material. This can lead to plagiarism or academic misconduct if students submit AI-generated work as their own. Second, exercise or use of AI may weaken critical thinking skills. Higher education aims to develop students' ability to analyze, evaluate, and solve problems independently.
That's really good actually.
Yes, if students rely entirely on AI for answers, they may become passive learners.
That's a good opinion. But do you think AI could also affect student creativity?
Yes, potentially. Educational psychology research suggests that creativity develops through reflection, problem solving, and independent thinking. If students constantly depend on AI-generated response, they may miss opportunities to develop original ideas and innovative thinking. Additionally, AI is not always accurate. Studies on generative AI indicate that the system sometimes produce inaccurate information or even fabricate reference. Because of this, students should always verify information using credible academic sources such as journal, book, and scholarly articles. AI should assist human thinking, not replace it.
Okay, let me change it a little. Some universities have considered it interesting or even when AI becomes a worry about misuse. Do you think that AI is the right solution?
Personally, I don't think that AI is the best solution. Historically, educational technologies such as a calculator, computer, and the internet were also controversial when they were first introduced. However, instead of banning them, educators learned how to integrate them responsibly. Similarly, UNESCO guidance on AI and education recommends establishing ethical frameworks and improving AI literacy. Rather than completely AI, universities should teach students how to use AI ethically, critically, and transparently. Students need to understand that AI is appropriate and when independent work is necessary.
So, is that you mean universities should focus more on responsible use rather than prohibition?
Exactly. University can create policies requiring students to disclose AI usage, cite AI tools when necessary, and ensure that academic work reflects their own understanding and analyze. With proper guidance, AI can become valuable learning partner instead of learning as
Okay, then. Thank you so much, Alisa, for sharing your insightful perspective. From today's discussion, we learned that AI offers many benefits in academic activities such as improving productivity, supporting personalized learning, and increasing accessibility. However, AI also has its challenges, including academic dishonesty, over-dependence, and reduced critical thinking if is used irresponsibly. Therefore, rather than banning AI completely, universities should encourage ethical and responsible AI use through clear academic guidelines. Thank you everyone for listening to my campus talk today. We hope today's discussion encouraged you to think critical about the role of AI in higher education. I'm Alpha.
and I'm Alicia.
See you in our next podcast. Bye everyone. Hi everyone. Welcome back to our podcast Campus Talk.
Back again with me, I'm Alicia, and thank you for joining us today. Today's topic is something that many university students often talk about. Why should university learn English? Some students think English is only important for English majors, while others believe that English is essential for everyone in higher education and future careers. To discuss this interesting topic, I'm joined by my friend Alfa. Hi Alfa.
Hi, Alu.
For being here.
Hi, Alicia. Thank you for inviting me actually. I'm really excited to talk about this topic because I think English plays a very important role in students' academic and professional lives.
Great. Let's start with first question. Why do you think English is important on higher education?
Well, English is extremely important in higher education because a large amount of academic knowledge is public language. According to research by Highland in his book, English of Academics Purposes, English has become the dominant language in global academic communication. Many international journals, textbooks, and scientific publications are written in English. In fact, studies show that more than 80% of internationally indexed academic journals are published in English. This means that students who understand English have access to wider and more up-to-date information. For example, when university students write research papers or final projects, they often get reference from international journals, right? Without English skill, students may struggle to understand those sources.
That's true. I personally often find journal articles written entirely in English, especially when doing assignment. So, would you say that English can also improve academic performance?
Absolutely, yes. A student published in the Journal of English for Academic Purposes found that students with better English proficiency tend to perform better academically because they can understand academic materials more effectively. English also helps students participate in international seminars, student exchange program, and academic conference.
That's true. I personally often find journal articles written entirely in English, especially when I'm doing assignment. So, would you say that English can also improve academic performance?
Absolutely, yes. A study published in the Journal of English for Academic Purposes found that students with better English proficiency tend to perform better academically because they can understand academic materials more effectively. English also helps students participate in international seminars, student exchange program, and academic conference. For example, many scholarship programs such as Erasmus or other international exchange programs require applicants to demonstrate English proficiency through tests like TOEFL or IELTS. So, learning English not only helps students in class but also open opportunities for academic growth globally.
That's really interesting. And now let's move on to careers. Why is English important for university students to do careers?
English is very important because today's job market is increasingly global. According to a report by the company LinkedIn and several labor market studies, English proficiency is one of the most requested skills by employees worldwide. Many multinational companies use English as their working language. Employees are often required to communicate with international clients, partners, or colleagues from different countries. A research article by Rao in 2019 also stated that English communication skills significantly increase employability and career advancement opportunities. In other words, graduates who can speak English often have a competitive advantage compared to those who cannot.
So, English can actually increase chances of getting a better job.
Um, Maybe yes, but yes, definitely. For example, in industries such as business, technology, tourism, aviation, and even healthcare, English communication skills are highly valued. Employers are not only looking for academic qualification but also communication skills, especially English. A report from the British Council also explained that English proficiency contributes positively to career development and professional networking. Besides the many job interviews, professional training programs, and most of the comments are conducted in English. Therefore, learning English during university can prepare students for professional life after graduation.
That's a very strong point. Now let's discuss the role of English in global communication and technology. What do academics say about this?
English plays a major role in both global communication and technological development. According to David Crystal in his book English as a Global Language, English functions as a global lingua franca, meaning that people from different linguistic backgrounds often use English to communicate. For example, even Indonesian students participate in an international conference with students from Japan, Germany, Brazil, or English is usually the common language used. In terms of technology, English is actually important. Research has shown the most used content on the internet, including academic database, online source, software documentation, and programming resources, is available only in English. Many technological innovation and learning platforms such as MOOCs, correct me if I'm wrong, coding tutorial and research database are developed in English. Therefore, students who understand English can access more additional and technological research.
I agree with your opinion. Even when I use online learning platform or watch educational video, most of them are English, right?
Yeah,
Do you think technology itself can also help students improve their skills?
of course, 100% yes. Technology provides many opportunities for students to practice English every day. Students can use language learning application with educational videos, listen to podcasts, join international online communities, or participate in online courses from universities around the world. According to several studies in educational technology, digital platforms can significantly improve student language skills because they provide authentic learning experience and interactive communication. So, technology and English actually support each other.
Okay, thank you so much, Alpha, for sharing those valuable insights. From today's discussion, we can conclude that English is important for university students because it supports higher education, improves student careers opportunity, and enables students to participate in global communication and technological advancement. Learning English is not only about passing exams, but also about preparing ourselves for academic success and global future. Thank you everyone for listening to Campus Talk. Hope today's discussion has inspired you to continue improving your English skills. I'm Alicia.
And I'm Alpha.
See you in our next podcast. Bye
Bye
everyone.
bye.